So good day everyone. So here's my presentation about the CBT monitoring tools in beauty care nail enhancement technology services NC3. The achievement chart and progress chart are essential monitoring tools used in the competency-based trainings or CBT system. These tools serve as evidence of trainees' development, performance, and mastery of the required competencies throughout the training program. They help both trainers and trainees monitor progress, identify areas for improvement, and ensure that all learning outcomes are met before assessment. So here's in the progress chart is designed to track the overall progress of each trainee in performing the required learning outcomes or competencies. It shows how far a trainee has advanced in the training, which competencies has been completed, and which ones still need improvement or further practice. Includes important details such as the names of the trainees in alphabetical order, the unit of competency, the nominal duration, and recording system such as check mark for completed requirements. C for competencies passed and blank space for the task not yet done. Trainees use this chart to record each trainee's performance and to provide feedback or remedial instruction when needed. In short, the progress charts provide a clear picture of the trainee's learning journey and development within the training program. Meanwhile, the achievement chart is more detailed record that focuses on the specific activities and performance outputs required in each competency. It is provide evidence of what each trainee has achieved in every learning outcome. The chart includes the qualifications title, the names of trainees in alphabetical order, the list of required activities or outputs per competency, the nominal durations, the trainer involved, and the legend of recording symbol. So the symbol used are similar to the progress chart. A check mark indicates that a requirement has been satisfied. Um, a C signifies that the trainer is competent or has passed, and a blank space means the task has not yet been completed. This chart helps trainers and assessors determine which output has been accomplished, which are still pending, and which are require more focus. So, in conclusion, these two charts play a vital role in the effective implementation of competency-based training or the CBT. They help maintain training quality by ensuring that every trainee achieves the required competency before undergoing final assessment through systematic recording and monitoring. So, the achievement chart and progress chart support the continuous improvement of both trainees and training program. So, that's all po. Thank you.